What up, guys? Today we're going to be going over another ETH hash based proof of work mineable crypto. I guess proof of work is mineable, whatever. New mineable crypto called Larissa network. Gonna check out their website, go over the white paper, go through mining pools, show you how to get it set up on Windows and Hive OS. Gonna tell you guys what I'm mining it on, what my profits are gonna look like, and yeah, all that good stuff. So go ahead, like and subscribe, trying to get to 200 subscribers. Also, check out the links down below. They'll make you some money, they'll make me some money. Let's get into it. Decentralizing possibilities, Larissa. Okay, so we're going over Larissa network. As far as their website goes, one thing I will say is there's a lot of things coming soon that's not yet listed that I feel they should have actually listed on their website. A lot of interesting things. One thing I will say as far as crypto websites go is, like with a lot of these new projects, a lot of the times the websites look kind of haphazardly and half-ish done. It definitely looks like they at least took the time and effort to put into their website, so that's always really good. Yeah, so a lot of the typical crypto buzzwords, smart chain, blah, blah, blah. One interesting thing about their nodes is that they are going to do like a kind of how like Gala did, where you buy a key for your node instead of buying a certain amount of the crypto for the node. So that could potentially hinder the price a little bit, because as you guys know, when node projects pop up, even if they're not good ones, people are like, I'm going to buy my 1,000 coins, hold them, do the node thing. Yeah. And they have their IPFS, their interplanetary file system. They're going to do some storage things. So yeah, all really good, all really fun, but that's not why we're here. We're here for the mining. I also would recommend you guys go ahead and take a quick peek over at their roadmap. Some interesting things, but nothing too out of the usual for, you know, just a random ETH hash project. As far as their white paper goes, there was a couple things that I wanted to point out to you guys really quick. One thing that I did find not necessarily concerning, but nowhere in here does it talk about their what their total supply is. So they may have an unlimited supply, but they have a low emissions. You get 10 coins per block, and then after a year it cuts down to 5. After 2 years it cuts down to 2.5, so on and so forth. And it also talks about their nodes, how you buy the key for it. And yeah, nothing too interesting. So we're going to come over here to mining pool stats. This coin was listed roughly 6 days ago. Currently pools, they have Getteth, or GTE, however you want to pronounce that pool right there. Has the majority of the hash rate. This is currently where I'm mining. I did try it on mining for the people. Had some issues setting it up. If you guys get it to work, then great. But we're going to go with Getteth, or gteh.org, whatever the heck that is. The get pool, we'll call it get pool. So if you guys have used something like K1pool, it is kind of similar to that, where you have your pool wallet essentially, and then you set up your wallets inside of it. So we're going to go ahead and set this up. Essentially what you're going to do, you're going to have to either use your email or your Telegram, get signed in. I currently have a couple Ipolos on it. I'm looking at around 19 coins per day. I've already gotten a payout. Oh, wallet. One thing we should probably go over is setting up a wallet for it. The wallet is MetaMask. You're going to find everything over here. This is the only one they currently have. Yeah, so you can go check out my MetaMask video, but if you don't know, all you got to do, hit add network. It'll take you here, add network manually, and then let's get rid of that. You'll just copy this stuff here and paste it in here. One thing I find really irritating, they don't have a quick link that'll just port it into your MetaMask, and this is also not copyable and pastable right there, which I don't like. I do have it up right here. if you guys want to screenshot that and you have it, and I will try to post it down below in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out those links down below. They'll make you some money. They'll make me some money. It's a win-win. So yeah, just like any other ETH hash coin, just set it up to your MetaMask. Super easy, super simple to go. So then you're going to go ahead, sign up for, if you're going to use this pool, the get pool, you're going to sign up. And then you're going to go to, first things first, you're going to get your wallet saved in there. You're just going to, if you're using MetaMask, I'm just going to go ahead, copy that, add wallet, meta, paste your address, pick which token it's for. It's going to be for Larissa. And then you can set it to have automatic payments or not automatic payments. I have automatic payments because I'm not that worried about it. But once you have that set up, then you're going to come over here to get started. This is a lot like using K1pool. I love K1pool. It's one of my favorite pools. If you're not using K1pool for any of your other ETH hash coins, I'd definitely go down there, check out that link and use K1pool. But for your worker, you're going to do, and also this also applies to, will apply to Hive OS too, and GPU mining. Essentially you're just going to copy that, edit out your stratum. Let's go ahead and do that together. So we're going to go miners. I use T-Rex miner. That's my favorite, but any other miner will do. Let me find a ETH hash coin that I can copy. No, one of these. Oh, Octa's ETH hash. We'll hit copy and we'll paste it. We'll rename it. Larissa. And then we'll come in, edit. Okay. So you're just going to copy this right here, hit copy. It'll automatically adjust your difficulty and all that funness. This one. It'll come over here where it says stratum, copy. It will paste that in. I'm in the US, so US, and then wallet is just going to be this guy right here. Where did that go? And then I'm just going to copy over my worker name. And then if you don't want to do ZIL, you'll just get rid of this part right here. Or you can also disable ZIL in the pool. I believe that also works with GPUs. We're going to test that out. And then you're just going to do file, save, cool. You're all set up to go and mine. For Ipolos, it's just as easy. You're going to go ahead, stratum, wallet.worker, and then whatever your password is. Super simple. I'm not going to go over that because you just literally copy that into your Ipolo. You're good to go. And then HiveOS, just as easy. Have my one little rig working. I'm working on getting some other rigs up. It's just a lot of effort, and I have a lot of Windows computers, so that works for now. You're just going to go wallets, add wallet. Coin is going to be, Larissa. And then your address, back to the MetaMask. I'm going to copy that. Name it. And then we'll hit create. Cool. And then to set up your flight sheet, we're going to go coin, add your wallet, pool. We'll configure that in miner. For miner, we'll just do, I'm gonna go with Team Red just because all my NVIDIA GPUs are currently in Windows computers. Algorithm, we're going to go with ETH hash, worker.wallet. We are going to go back to this one. Going to copy that. Yeah, you just do that. And then worker name and password. And then for your pool URL, you're going to use that same stratum from earlier. Copy. Go ahead, paste that in. And we're in America or America, depending on where you're from. And then that looks all good. You'll hit apply changes. That looks all good. We'll call this LAR. And then you have all that set up and hit create. And then you're all good to go. So yeah, that's how you get it set up in HiveOS Windows and on your Ipolos. Also, one thing really I think is really interestingly cool is they're already listed on CoinGecko, but they don't have a price, but they're already listed, which means they're definitely putting in some kind of work. So this could potentially be really promising for this coin. I mean, yeah, that's Larissa Network. I definitely recommend. I mean, I'm going to mine a little bag of this. This kind of has me intrigued, just the amount of effort. Granted, it could just be like a lot of like AI chat GPT work kind of thing, but it's definitely an interesting project. I'm going to definitely keep my eye on it. Also, I definitely recommend you guys go ahead and follow their Twitter. They've been extremely, I wouldn't say extremely active, but they are pretty active on Twitter. This project has been around. They are at 15.8 thousand followers, which is really good. The project, I have seen some things as late as November on their Discord and whatnot. So that's like really good. So they might actually be trying to build something and not just another project that's going to pop off and just be like, oh, we're listed and now we're dead. Also, I am making some really decent money with my little X-Pet over here. I should claim that later. If you haven't seen my video on that, I definitely recommend go checking it out. It could be worth your while. It's free to start and it's actually pretty cool. But yeah, that's how to set up and mine Larissa Network. Go ahead, like and subscribe. If you made it this far, you might as well comment what you guys are mining on for this bull run and what you guys are mining for the next bull run. What are you stacking your bags with? Yeah, also check out those links down below. They'll make you some money. They'll make me some money. Go check out some of my other videos. Peace out.